Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you step-by-step process how you can easily make your expenses billable in QuickBooks Online. So the first thing you want to do, we need to enable it in the settings. So go to top right on the settings and go to account and settings. When you're going to do it, you want to click on expenses, and then you want to click edit, and then you want to make expense and items billable, and you want to turn it on. When you're going to do it, you can mark it up with the default rate if you want to. Then you have like track billable expenses and items as income. And you can also charge sales tax. Then click save. Right then, when you're going to do it, you want to, let's go to banking. Right here, I'm going to scroll down below, choose on item, and then I gotta see billable here. Right? And this is pretty much it, how you can do it. So yeah, billable and add. I would just add a customer and everything, but you can see it right on the right side or just right here. So thank you very much guys for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down in the comments. I'm really happy to help you. Also, what you can do is when you would do a simple thing here, then I would go click on new, and then I would click on expense. And then if whatever I choose here, I can add a billable and I can add a markup here, and this is how you can do it also in expense. So thank you very much guys for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down in the comments. I'm really happy to help you, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.